Assalamualaikum. We will present our coffee shops for the case study for the HVAC system. This is our group's members, which is first Ishaq bin Muhammad Fuzilah, two Muhammad Fafid bin Abdul Rahman, third Muhammad bin Muhammad Adnan, fourth Muhammad Hamizan bin Adnan, and last me Muhammad Faris Atib bin Azhar. For our introductions, for the first point, which is a coffee shop has become a necessity for the many coffee addicts around. It is a comfortable place for the people to meet their friends or even just relax as they read a book. Coffee shop has been facilitated with many modern equipments, from the machine to brew coffee, internet access, and a fully air conditioned space. An air conditioning system can provide a cool and comfortable environment throughout the heat of the day. An air conditioning unit enables the owner of the place to maintain temperature that is comfortable for diners to enjoy their meals, leaving them satisfied with their experience. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Afiq bin Abdul Rahman. Today I will be presenting for the method and data. So the method used for this case study is by visiting an actual coffee shop to get the basic information on what a coffee shop looks like and what HVAC system used by the premise. The selected coffee shop for this case study is a cafe named Coffeeology located in Bukit Beruang, Melaka. The purpose of the visit is to get the crucial data to design a new HVAC system, such as the area, number of occupants, and the heat generated from electrical equipment in the shop. This visit is also to identify the layout of the coffee shop and the equipment used to operate a coffee shop. Next, we will look at the data that we have acquired from the visit. So this is the building layout. We can see here that the coffee shop is divided into two sections. For main area is where the customer used to dining and chilling, and the second area, as we can see, the empty space is used for event or party. As for the building specification, the type of building is a coffee shop. The total area is 1,140 square feet. The type of wall is concrete wall with window glass. For the window location, it on the west and is on the west side of the building. The roof type is concrete. The population, the coffee shop can fit 100 people in the premise. The electrical equipment used in the coffee shop is coffee machine, refrigerator, deep freezer, ice blender, and light bulb. So the total HVAC system is operating is 10 hours, which is equal to the premise, which is equal to the coffee shop operating time. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ishaq bin Muhammad Fuzilah. I will continue to explain about the result and analysis. The first graph is talking about the energy consumption against time. The energy consumption is peak at 9 p.m. We get 41 kilowatt per hour. The table show about the total load we have calculated. We get 52.59 kilowatt, and the BTU is 179,470 BTU per hour. The horsepower we should use in the building is 17.9 horsepower. The pie chart is talking about the heat resource from the people. We get 30%. From the furniture is about 10%. The wall face the sun is about 15%. The electrical equipment about the 50%. The glass wall about 25%. Others equipment we get 5%. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Amir bin Muhammad Adnan. So I will explain about the discussion. Discussion revolve around the recommended system and specification. An air conditioning unit that fulfill the recommended specification is introduced as an alternative for improvement in terms of air conditioning system. So the recommended system that we get is a centralized unit. So the based on recommended system specification, that is cooling capacity around 10 to 15 kilowatt. Refrigerant type we are using are 410A. Power supply we use 3-phase. Compressor type 1.5 kilowatt. Temperature range around 16 until 24 Celsius. Cooler type built-in Cooper Cool. Condenser type fin Cooper tube. So the recommended system that we got the unit is A0YG54LATT, that is 3-phase. Can support various installations, can from the office to commercial space by same place multi connection of up to 3 units. So this is using simultaneous control. The capacity cooled is 14 kilowatt and the heat is 16 kilowatt. So the specification is cooling around 14, heating is 16, the phase are using 3-phase. So the annual energy consumption is cooling no limit and the heating no limit. So the frequency that power source is 50 Hz. Energy efficiency class no need. So the sound pressure level high is 55 dBA and heating 71 dBA. The dimension height is 1290 mm and the width is 900 mm and the depth is 330 mm. The net weight is 104 kilo. Connection pipe diameter are using liquid and gas. So for the liquid is 9.52 mm and the gas is 15.88 mm. So the connection pipe diameter are using liquid 9.52 mm. So the gas is 15.88 mm. The pipe length max is 75 mm. Pipe change is 30 mm. So height difference is 30 mm. Operation range cooling and heating is 15 to 46. For cooling and heating is 15 to 24. So the refrigerant change we get the spec is 3,450 gram. So the separation tube twin is UTP SX 254A for twin and for triple is UTP SX 354A. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. I am Muhammad Hamizan bin Adnan, and for my part, I will discuss about the conclusion of our case study. So, based on the study that we have conducted, air conditioning system has become an important component to be included in a building to provide a comfortable environment alongside with an excellent air circulation. Cooling load is an important factor to be considered when selecting a suitable air conditioning system to ensure that the ideal temperature in the designated area can be achieved. For the coffee shop, the heat generated mainly comes from the usage of equipment for preparing coffee, lightings, and the number of occupants in the shop. Based on those factors, we were able to calculate the cooling load and determine the suitable air conditioning system to be installed in the building. We also were able to determine the energy consumption for the coffee shop based on the electrical energy consuming equipment in the building. So that's all from me. Thank you.